I hit this issue today and here's the quick fix that solved it. If you want to cancel the auto renewal for your YouTube TV subscription, follow these steps. Step 1. Open YouTube TV. Launch the YouTube TV app on your device or go to the YouTube TV website on your browser. Make sure you are logged into the account you want to manage. Step 2. Access settings. In the app or website, navigate to your profile icon located in the top right corner. Click on it to open a drop-down menu, then select Settings. Step 3. Go to Membership. Once in the Settings menu, look for the Membership section. Click on it to view your current subscription details and renewal options. Step 4. Cancel Auto Renewal. In the Membership section, you will see the option to cancel auto renewal. Click on Cancel and follow the prompts to confirm your decision. Step 5. Check confirmation email. After canceling, check your email for a confirmation message from YouTube TV. This ensures that your auto renewal has been successfully cancelled. Remember, if you don't see the cancel option, it might be due to a pending payment or an issue with your account. If you follow these steps, you should be all set. Good luck and enjoy your viewing.